Hazrat Abu Sayyid Khudri radiyallahu anhu states, "We did not return until the Khyber fort was conquered that day. We, the companions of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, due to extreme hunger, fell on the plants of garlic, ate the garlic our own satiety, and then went to the mosque. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam perceived the reek and said, 'Whosoever has consumed of this wretched tree must not come close to our mosque.' The people thereupon said, 'Garlic has been prohibited. Garlic has been prohibited.' When this news reached the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, 'O people, I cannot make anything unlawful declared lawful by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, but I dislike the stink of garlic.' Sahih Muslim Hadith number 1256.